Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 13th May 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 8 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. Who has received the world's first ISO 42001-2023 certification for AI management?
Answer is Infosys. Infosys has been certified with ISO 42001-2023 for its Artificial Intelligence Management System, AIMS, the world's first international standard on AI management systems, by TUV India. The ISO 42001-2023 certification provides a clear roadmap and systematic approach to AI management through effective risk mitigation and streamlined processes.
Question number 2. Who has been appointed as the head coach of Indian men's basketball team?
Answer is Scott Fleming. The Basketball Federation of India has roped in Scott Fleming as the new head coach of the Indian senior men's basketball team. He has replaced Serbian coach Veselin Matic. Notably, this is the second time when Fleming has been selected as the head coach of the team. Earlier, he was at the helm of affairs between 2012 and 2015. During his tenure, the Indian men's basketball team won against China in the FIBA Asia Cup 2014.
Question number 3. Who will become first Indian woman golfer to play 100 events on the Ladies European Tour?
Answer is Diksha Dagar. Diksha Dagar will become the first Indian woman golfer to play 100 events on the Ladies European Tour when she tees up at the Aramco Team Series Korea, her first appearance in the series. The 23-year-old Diksha turned pro in 2019 and won on Ladies European Tour in her first full season, clinching the South African Women's Open golf title that year. Her other title on the Ladies European Tour came last year at the Czech Ladies Open in 2023.
Question number 4. Who has launched the TCPay, an international money transfer service?
Answer is Thomas Cook. Thomas Cook India has revolutionized international money transfers with the launch of TCPay, a user-friendly digital service designed to simplify and enhance the remittance process. Traditionally, sending money abroad involved tedious paperwork and limited operating hours. With TCPay, customers can now enjoy 24/7 remittances with ease and efficiency.
Question number 5. Parliament of which country passed a bill to allow prisoners to join the military?
Answer is Ukraine. Ukraine's parliament has passed a bill that would enable some prisoners to fight in the armed forces as the military faces. The move comes as Ukrainian forces confront a critical shortage of manpower, exacerbated by ongoing Russian advancements on the battlefield. Eligible prisoners must have less than 3 years remaining on their sentence to apply for mobilization, with the assurance of parole rather than a pardon if enlisted.
Question number 6. Which country signed a 20-year agreement to buy electricity from Adani Green Energy?
Answer is Sri Lanka. The Sri Lankan government has approved an agreement with Adani Green Energy, led by Gautam Adani, for the development of wind power stations in Mannar and Punarin. The agreement was given the green light by the Sri Lankan cabinet on 7th May. Under the power purchase agreement, which has a duration of 20 years, Adani Green Energy will be paid 8.26 cents per kilowatt-hour, kWh, for the electricity generated from the wind power stations.
Question number 7. Colin Munro retired from international cricket. He was from
Answer is New Zealand. Colin Munro has announced his retirement from international cricket after missing out on New Zealand's T20 World Cup 2024 squad. He is best known for his prowess in white ball cricket. He played over 100 matches, featuring in the 2014 and 2016 T20 World Cups and the 2019 ICC Men's Cricket World Cup. He has 3 T20I centuries to his name, making him one of 7 male players to achieve this feat.
Question number 8. Recently, which organization adopted the first law to tackle violence against women?
Answer is European Union. The European Union, EU, adopted its first law to combat violence against women. The law requires European Union, EU, countries to criminalize female genital mutilation, forced marriage, and online harassment. However, the law does not include a common definition of rape. The European Union, EU, Commission proposed the law in 2022. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.